Well, good morning. It's one of these sad days in Berlin, but if you think this is gonna stop me today, you are mistaken because I am on a mission. I'm here with my buddy Epi Camino. What's up, bro? Yeah, he doesn't talk much. Look at this. This is our neighborhood bakery. It's called the Friendly Bakery. Gotta say, it doesn't always live up to its name. Yeah, not bad. I'm like 10 seconds into my first vlog and already vlogging with a coffee in the other hand. That's advanced. It's really bad, but good, if you know what I mean. So I mentioned how I'm on a mission, right? I've been making all these food videos recently and I wanted to step up my game, but I noticed one thing, which is that I know almost nothing about food photography. I mean, how to light the stuff, which props to use and all of that. Which is why I'm starting a journey to make the most epic food videos ever, and I'm starting today. Thanks, my friend, you served me well. So today will be step one of that journey. I'm gonna go and get some amazing, beautiful props. I'm looking for props that I could just like place in my frame to just make things look better. What's up, boy? What are you doing?
Shooting some beer.
Oh my god, he's shooting beer! I am on a super generous budget, which is literally the YouTube money of the past 12 months. Okay, so the original idea was to go to a flea market today, but today it is closed. It's like the one time you don't check if something is open. Of course it is not. Okay, I admit I am kind of bummed out. Yet this vlogging thing is off to a good start, I feel. But no worries, we will not be discouraged by that. We will get what we need. There is this guy playing some really weird instrument. Okay, this is kind of cool. We saw a flea market from the train and now we're just gonna go there because we can. Flea market time! I have no idea what it is with me, but I just really love old stuff, vintage stuff. Let's see what this place has to offer. This is if you want to make very tiny pancakes.
Oh, yes, of course.
Alright, I'm done choosing stuff and getting yelled at by people for filming here. But I still scored some pretty cool stuff here. So first of all, cutlery. I thought I was gonna go with like a knife and fork set, but I found something nicer. This tiny fork, which would be kind of great for like a roast or something like that. I don't know, I'm gonna play around with this. This would just be a great little prop. I also have a little teaspoon, looks like this. Very simple, but it would be great for like some kind of dip or something like that. And I made sure they both look nice and vintage because that's kind of the look I'm going for. Plates, so I have this plate, which would be amazing for some kind of soup or maybe a curry or something like this. It looks very like Western, European, so I don't know how it fits into my repertoire yet, but I like the look. And then I got these two guys, which are clearly from the same set. Some kind of, feels very good, by the way, and they were very cheap. I only paid €1.50 each. What I love about those is this one has a sort of a unique shape, which would be great for like serving a fish or something like that. And this one is pretty large and it's also a little bit deep, so stuff will not fall off the plate. And one thing you might notice is that both of these plates have a design that is kind of busy on the outside, but the middle, the center, stays nice and clear, which is really important because you don't want to overcrowd your shot by placing food in the middle of like a tutti frutti kind of situation. Well, that concludes my first day of trying to up my food video game. It ended, at least I got some really nice props. Can't complain. I hope you enjoyed this first vlogging adventure of mine. Not sure if I'm going to be doing this more often, but I probably will. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will see you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.